After seeing a sharp pullback, that as well has seen a bit of an up move. But Nimesh is with us. It's 3 p.m. Nimesh, what are you picking up? How are the flows? I mean, fair to say that India has actually outperformed. It's been a pretty good week going by all the volatility, all the cues that we've been getting.
So again, Nigel, a good day. Actually, it's holding up to the early morning gain, which is a positive sign. Again, a lot of the beaten down sectors, which gets impacted because of the tariffs, that's in a big pullback. Having said that, the flows are very negative. That's overall feedback. So looks like the rally is largely driven by short covering, and some of the sectors which are so heavily beaten down, they're seeing a bit of a pullback. So need to see how things pan out in the global markets as well. I guess that will be very interesting to watch out for. Selling is happening in banks, OMCs and real estate. So these are the three sectors which stands out today in terms of supply from larger institutions. Metal, a bit of short covering as well, and also because of the dollar index cooling off, are seeing a bit of a pullback rally. So as I said, metals, commodities, all those sectors which are so beaten down and has a bit of a positive impact because of tariffs, they've seen a bit of a pullback today. On the upside, 23.800 is a level to watch because that's a big resistance, so to speak. But frankly, again, we are heading into a truncated week. Next week, we have 2 holidays, Monday and Friday. Yeah. So not much to read into today's pullback, but from a flow perspective, there is selling from larger FIs.
Negative flows, then that's something you'll watch out for. So it appears the shorts getting squeezed, at least for today's session. What about individual stocks? What are you picking up?
Well, so in terms of individual names, the first couple of stocks is NHPC and SJVN. Not much reacting today, but in general, there is a sense that both these companies are likely to back very large orders very soon. So that's a trigger in those names. Second stock is MaxHealthcare, in a bit under pressure today, but there is a buzz of a large block deal coming soon in MaxHealthcare. So that's the buzz to track there. The third name is Tata Consumers. We've seen a bit of rally in the consumer staple names in the last few days, and again in today's trade, Tata Consumers stands out largely on back of FI flows. So expect high delivery volumes and a bit of FI buying has resumed, is what I understand, in Tata Consumers. And the last is DB Realty, a big move in that name as well. It looks like the HNF flows are quite strong today, and there is a buzz of some corporate development. So remember, the demerger of the hotel business is still pending, so that's likely to come. And also they might announce a joint development very soon, so that's a trigger as far as DB Realty is concerned.